Okay, students, so this is video number 3 on simple interest, and we are learning this simple interest from last 2 videos, and this is like third one. In the first and second video, we saw something called as like what is the terminology of this simple interest, what is principal, rate, time, interest, कैसे calculate करते हैं, what exactly is amount, various formulas, and basics and little basic type of questions. Now we're going to see some advanced type of questions. We're going to calculate the days, to convert that into years and the difference between the simple interest, some various type of questions we're going to see in this part of the video. So stay tuned till the end so that you'll understand this topic very well, students. Let's start this question number 9. Rohan took a loan of rupees 1500. Loan of rupees 1500. That means it becomes principal. Principal is rupees 1500 with simple interest for as many years as the rate of interest. That means the rate of interest and the time is the same. The rate of interest and the time, if it is same, then we're assuming that it is x and x. And then he paid rupees 240 as the interest at the end of the loan period. If he's paying rupees 240 as the interest, then his simple interest is rupees 240. So we can make the formula and we can just solve these questions very easily. I guess you can make, or you can solve these questions by your own also. So what the formula we use, SI is equal to PRT upon 100. So just plug the value 240 into 1500 into x upon 100. So this y 240, 240 is the simple interest. So we plug it over here. Principal is 1500 and the rate and the time is x into x upon 100. I hope students are writing along with me. Students keep writing along with me so that you'll understand this topic very well. In case if you're not understanding something, please ask me immediately so that I can help you. Isn't it? You can see everything is clean and clearly on your screen. So 1500, okay, then 2 zeros will get cancelled, this 100, and then you can take this 15 down over here with 240. 240 upon 15 is equals to x squared. So x squared is equal to 16. And for how to solve this, x squared is equal to 16, that means x is equal to root of 16. When the square will go other side, it becomes square root. What it becomes? It becomes square root. So what is the square root of 16? Square root of 16 is 4. So the rate of interest is 4% per annum and the time is also 4 years. I hope students you understood. The rate of interest is 4% and the time is 4 years. So basically when it becomes a square and stuff like that, people get confused on how to do these quadratic equations. But no need to get scared with this. Just take the square root and go this side. You'll get the answer so easily. Isn't it super duper simple type of questions? I hope students you understood this. In case if you have doubts or difficulties, you can surely ask me. If not, just pause the video and copy paste it quickly in your book. Hurry, I'll just pause the video. Now, this sum is like the heart of this particular chapter. It's like a very important sum of this particular chapter. Definitely can be asked for 3 to 4 marks in your school examinations. So listen very carefully. Keep your whole eyes on the screen and keep your ears on place and listen very carefully each and every word of this particular question when I'm reading. Find the simple interest. So SI is question mark. And amount on rupees 12,500 and amount on rupees 12,500. That means what is supposed to find two things. One is simple interest and amount. Now, many people do not understand this. They read this amount to rupees 12,500 and it goes wrong. You getting it? So please don't go wrong anywhere. You have to calculate the simple interest and you have to calculate the amount. Once you're done with that, let's move ahead. At 7.5% per annum for the period 25th August 2007, 23rd of August 2017 to 16 January 2018. Okay, this is not little clear. 23rd it is. From 23rd August 2017 to 16 January 2018. You understood what is the question? So when there are dates are mentioned, how to calculate this? Okay, now I'll teach you how to calculate the dates. So simple interest is question mark, amount is question mark, amount on rupees 12,500. On rupees 12,500, that means it's a principal. So principal is 12,500 rupees and 7.5%. What do you mean by 7.5%? The rate is 7.5%. So that is, you can write a rate as 7 to the 14 plus 1, 15 upon 2% per annum. Now the time, how are we going to calculate? 23rd August 2017, 23rd August 2017. So August has how many days? 31 minus 23 if we'll do. We're going to get in August month, we'll have 8 days. In September, we'll have 30 days. In October, we'll have 31 days. November, we'll have, of course, 30. In December, we'll have 31. And now till where? Till 16th of January. So 16th of January, January is how many days? January 16 days. So these 2 dates are like very, very important, 2 days calculations. And if we'll add it together these many days, we're going to get how many days this money has been borrowed. This 12,500 is borrowed for rupees. I mean for 146 days. For how many days? Total 146 days. Now, if this money has been borrowed for 146 days, that means the time period will become 146 upon 365, which is 2 upon 5 years. Remember that students, you have to always convert this time into the years. Like if you remember that previous summons where the month has mentioned, we divided by 12. The months to be divided by 12 to convert into the years. The days should be divided by 365. Days should be divided by 365 to convert that into the years. So 2 upon 5 years. I hope you got it. One trick you can remember, this number of days will be always either 73 or 146 or 219 or 292 because they are the table of 73. Ones are, twos are, threes and fours are. So this days should be either 73, 146, 219 or 292. So how to calculate the rate of interest? Rate of interest is equal to PRT upon 100. I mean, not rate of interest, simple interest. How to calculate simple interest? PRT upon 100. So 12,500 is the principal, rate is 15 upon 2, and the time is 2 upon 5. If we do this calculation, this 2 to get cancelled, 5 3s are 15, and this 200 will get cancelled. So 125 into 3 will become 375. This is done. So this is first part of the sum. What is the simple interest? So simple interest is 375. Now, how to calculate the amount? Simple. To calculate the amount, we'll have to calculate principal plus interest. So 12,500 plus 375 will become 12,875 rupees. That's it. Isn't it very, very simple, guys? So simple interest is 375 and amount is rupees 12,875. Super duper easy sum. But what is the trickiest part over here? The trickiest part over here to calculate the time. So if you make mistake over here or over here, the days will go wrong, and the days will go wrong. It will not come as so easily like 2 upon 5 or something. And then the calculation becomes really, really weird. So if your calculation is becoming weird, please check out this number of days. If your number of days are proper, then your sum would be proper. I hope students, you understood this perfectly. So you can pause the video and copy paste this quickly in your book. In case if you have any doubts or difficulties, you can surely ask me immediately.